Yeah, it's time to get rid of this stuff, guys. It's just so old and outdated looking. Oh man, look at this. Ooh, what an improvement, guys. Oh man, it looks so good. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm actually in my kitchen here. We recently upgraded the cabinet hardware. We also painted the cabinets, which look really nice. Really excited about that. So the last step of this basic kitchen remodel is actually just going to go ahead and upgrade the flooring. So we've got some outdated flooring in here. I believe it's called parquet or something like that. It's just not cool. Don't like it at all. So we're actually going to go ahead and put down some new laminate flooring that's water resistant. It's going to be perfect for the kitchen. So excited about that. So what do you say we go ahead, jump right into it. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video of redoing the flooring in the kitchen here. It actually didn't take too long. I finished it mostly up in one evening. And once we got going, figure out how these particular ones snap together, it wasn't too bad at all. So pretty cool, huge transformation. I'm definitely very happy with how the kitchen came out compared to how it was before. I think it was a huge upgrade to the house and will add some value. So pretty excited for that. If you like this, guys, go down below. Be sure to like this video, drop a comment. And as always, guys, if you're here and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go down below. Help me out, subscribe. We're getting really close to 50, so I'm pretty excited about that. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram, MattDIY1. And until next time, guys, be sure to get out and do it yourself.